Hey all, me, the Horror Universe here. So today, I'm gonna be reacting to something very, very different. Now, I don't know whether you lot would consider this creepy. Uh, I'm not even sure if I would consider it as part of Scary Video's reactions. But when you look deeper into what this video is, it is actually quite unsettling to think that planets have sounds. Like they have their own sounds. And I think how it works is that the NASA spacecraft records the audio and sends them back in wave files. So I I watched these before. I know some of the planet sounds, but I can't remember most of them. So yeah, this will be a very interesting video indeed. So whoops, that's a bit big. Whoop, it's doing this thing again. Right, there we go. So let's get this all the way up. Okay. Boom, boom. I don't know why this would be considered scary, but let's just listen to it. Yep, that sounds like our son. Yo, calm down, son. That is literally vibrating my headphones like crazy. Bloody hell. Bro. This is actually creepier than I thought it was gonna be. Jesus Christ, Mercury. Yo, what the hell? That's pretty much how I thought Earth was gonna sound. That one's not really creepy, that's normal. Ooh, that's a bit eerie. Whoa, that sounds almost identical to Earth. In a more eerie and demonic way. What? Yo, what the hell, Mars? What the hell is that sound? Oh, it might be that thing. Oh no. Saturn. I swear to God, calm down. That's what Uranus sounds like. Yo. Neptune, the water planet. I believe that's the water planet anyway. It's been years since I learned about space. This is really fascinating to me. Especially the eerie sounds from the planet. So I guess you could consider this as creepy. Pluto. Okay, damn Pluto. Okay. Well, that certainly was interesting. So yeah, that was planet sounds. I generally don't know why I reacted to this video today. I'm in a planet mood for some reason. But that was interesting. Oh, hold up, it looks like my Scream video is ready to be scheduled. Okay, I'll just schedule that for later. That's scheduled for 5 PM, by the way. I don't know what to make of that. Like, of course, I've listened to these sounds before, but I haven't listened to them for months and months, so I completely forgot what half of the planet sounded like. And I gotta admit, some of them were quite eerie. Like, I've always been fascinated in space. Anyone who doesn't know me, I'm very fascinated in planets and the sounds of planets and how they make sounds and that, because you wouldn't have thought the planets would make sounds, but no, apparently when you put a microphone to the, well, not microphone, what am I speaking about, the NASA space thing, audio thing, to the planet, apparently it makes sounds like that through wave files. So that's really interesting and quite creepy at the same time. So yes, this does count as a scary video reaction. Let me know your thoughts. Please remember to leave a like, comment down below, consider subscribing, switch the notification bell on, see you all in my next video. Peace.